Sound Squad Entertainment, nigga. DJ Butterbeat, the crossfaded killer. Sound Squad Entertainment, nigga. DJ Butterbeat, the crossfaded killer.
Squad TV, man, it's Grinch. First class first. I'm suing him. I got you cupcake rappers. I got him on behalf of my nigga BRANDEESH.
I wasn't even supposed to be in the shot. Look, this my nigga, he just jacked some cupcakes and shit. So I put him in the shot.
I grinched him.
He wasn't supposed to be in the shot with the cupcakes, but I figure I'll leave him there. What up?
Y'all wanna know the secret recipe, nigga? We got nutmeg, we got 3 eggs, we got some sugar. What else you wanna know?
Hey, and it's Splendid. It's Splendid too. Hey, not regular sugar. It's Splendid.
Shout out to Sound Squad TV, man. Big things about to go on, man. Anything BRANDEESH behind first class first. You know it.
C-O-N-T, Sound Squad niggas in the building. You know what it is.
Sound Squad Entertainment, nigga. DJ Butterbeat, the crossfaded killer.
That lens got 2 parts on it, where you can focus. Right here, right there, right here. That's the zoom. The focus is right behind you. Same one right behind you. Stop it.
All right. Give it up for Ace and FOB. We're about to take a little small intermission. I want to remind you that we have some cupcakes over here, so try to promote the cupcakes. Make sure you try one out, and if you like it, make sure you go somewhere and buy one. I'm about to take an intermission and go get me a cupcake or two, and I'll see all of you in about 16 seconds. coming back with Brandeesh. And after that, we need Hopper Boys wave them something to the stage. Oh, thank you. All right, I'm about to try to come and go. Y'all need to do the same damn thing. I don't want nobody looking at me while I'm eating. So everybody turn around and go get a cupcake. Birthday Brandeesh. That's what it's all about right now. All right, the man of the hour is about to go now. Y'all give it up. All eyes on the stage. Brandeesh. Woo, woo.
Yeah, what's up to the people, man? What's up, y'all enjoy yourselves? Yeah. All right, man. Hey, look, do not forget, we got cupcakes over here, we got napkins, okay? There's napkins over there. Please don't grab them with your bare hands, man. How y'all feeling over here? Y'all feeling good? Yeah. Over there, y'all feeling good? Yeah. All right, come close. We about to get in. Come close. Let's get it in for the beat. First class in the building. Yeah. Yeah. How many of y'all got that power music for? Make some noise if you got that power music for. Yeah. I'm about to take you on a journey with me, man. Brandeesh. Let's go. Yeah. Real life. Yeah. I don't sleep much, I'm afraid that I missed a spot. I survived in the temple of my life because they missed the shot. Police at my front door, name was questioned because she was losing. Another day around the way, I'm breaking, keep it moving. Now I don't look back unless I'm right in the situation. I see some eyebrows raised up since I'm linked with Jason. I'm here to open up my life and show you what I'm facing. Some will join the movement, but other suckers will stick to hate. City on my back, and I ain't making a tip for that. You can send a shot, but I'm too busy to tit for tat. I be on the road in different hoods, and I'm built for that. I represent the state, where the good will go and kill the splash. What with me, and I'll take you there. The difference is between me and them. I show you all what I'm proud about. These other suckers who be pretend I sacrifice, but then I can't, cause I believe I can bring those into the ends of me. But what good is that if my prayer pops and I'ma breathe again? Nah, real my mind back in 2005, that I would die on my grind before I live in the lie. And fast forward some time, I'm almost out of my mind. But since I wait when I live, I'll never be out of line. Time, break the beat in this section, please, and I won't push out with weaponry. My pleasure beat and my treasure beat, putting everybody on my section beat. And my section beat, intensive beat, but I'm going anywhere that I have to be. You spazzing beat, but not passing me, cause I'm cutting off blazing traffic beat.
Sound Squad Entertainment, nigga. DJ for the beat, the crossfit killer.
What up, man? What's up? What's up? Hold on. What's up? Come on, man. What's up? It's a
Sound Squad TV, Sexy Monsters. Then you do your mega music thing.
All right. What's up? This is your girl Chloe VA. I'm rocking with Sound Squad ENT.
Squad, what up?
Sexy Monsters in the building. Mega music.
We be riding, Southside police be trying, and they be wildin'. Hello, here come the sirens. Hello, they pulling up behind us. What's up, man? Brandeesh. Yo, shouts out to Face World, man. I'm gonna bust to come up here from Atlanta, man. I rock with you, man. What's up? Come on. I say we be riding, Southside and police be trying, and they be wildin'. Hello, here come the sirens. Hello, they pulling up behind us, but we ain't doing that tonight. I'm gonna take it back a couple years for y'all, man. What's up? This what started that first class movement when SOV came to the video shoot. Not a piece, my brother, I want the whole thing. See, slave back. Come on. I know I'm right in my own brain. I don't want a piece, my brother, I want the whole game. The whole game. I don't want a piece, my brother, I want the whole game. I get nice, I know I'm right in my own brain. Check it out, real life. Yeah, I gotta move, you never catch me in the same spot when I press. Put me in crib, pops in the same plot. A lot of people are questioning if my name pops. The answer's Brandeesh, there's something this where the fame stops. No camera, please, the money's where me in some fresh clothes. No, them skinnies ain't fitting over the phone. Gotta piece my brother, I want the whole thing. Seats laid back, I'm comfortable in my own lane. Yeah, I know I'm right in my own brain. I don't want a piece of contamination, want the whole thing. The whole thing. The whole thing. I don't want a piece, SOP, want the whole thing. The whole thing. Yeah. Alright. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We gonna keep it moving. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna get it. Yo. See what I see. Only suckers I don't know. Can't be what I be. Cause I be training up in the zone. 1 piece, let me know. No text, no phone, face to face. Get it on. What they doing? What they doing? They ain't keeping it. I say what they doing? What they doing? They ain't keeping it. In the zone. 1 piece, let me know. No text, no phone, face to face. Get it on. I say never in the backseat. Always been the one to drive. Coming up, suckers always said I had an aqua mind. Never listened to them, no. Plus some suckers moving slow. I don't give a coward no power when I choose to go. Power music flow. Got me running through the city street. I've been trained to go. $1 while you 50 deep. I'll exchange the flow for them dollars and it's nothing less. Yes, I keep a tone and it hollers if you wanna flex. Everybody heard of me. The name is all above a guy. Once they tried to murder me. Brothers missed a shot. Give you what you asked for. Take it how we need to go. I got a whole intersection telling me I need to blow. Sorry if you thought I was a rapper with a Twitter name. I've been getting busy since before I was a Twitter page. Now all these new suckers looking at me sideways. But they ain't 100, so they switching as the time changes. Yeah. All these suckers I don't know. Can't be what I be. Cause I be training go. In the zone. 1 piece, let me know. No text, no phone, face to face, get it on. What they doing? What they doing? They ain't keeping it. What they doing? What they doing? They ain't keeping it. I stay in the zone. 1 piece, let me know. Yeah, then we feel good. Come on, recognize the realness. There ain't no comparisons. You ain't done a thing. What's the reason for your arrogance? Jumping out my sleep, I'd have had a nightmare again. Killers blow heat, way hotter than Sahara winds. I stay ready, it's a shame, but I'm prepared to see. Cause nowadays a cattle drop a diamond every chance at you. And that's real talk, no lies, no shorts, no vibes for these fake guys. When the whole court, where I'm from, everybody claiming they're the best. But nobody's getting signed, so it's just a waste of breath. I ain't gotta say a thing. Why? Cause I'm on grind. Catch me in the city. If not, then I'm on wide. One way or another, all my clothes shine. Till all eyes are infected and gone blind. I don't need affection, cause my direction's all down. Stacking up the change to that dollar that I hold high. See what I say? All these suckers I don't know. Can't be what I be, cause I be training go. In the zone. 1 piece, let me know. No text, no phone, face to face, get it on. What they doing? What they doing? They ain't keeping it. I say what they doing? What they doing? They ain't keeping it. In the zone. 1 piece, let me know. No text, no phone, face to face, get it on. Come on. Yeah, appreciate y'all. Yeah, next thing we gonna keep the party going, man. Y'all make some noise, man. Make some noise, man. Yeah, we gonna keep the party going, man. Next up we got Hidden Tracks, man. I'm gonna get up out y'all way. Appreciate y'all.
What's good, world? It's your boy BRANDEESH. First class, SOP. You gotta get the Y'all rocking with the star of the first class. You understand that? Beach, happy birthday, my nigga. You understand that? Rocking with all my niggas. Check this
Happy birthday to this nigga BRANDEESH. First class SOB, a nigga business P. We out here, nigga.
Man, we right here, man.
We out here, B.
Butter B, Big D. Sam Squad, we out here.
You already know how it's going down. Happy birthday, my nigga. You already know.
This is motherfucking P. Sound Squad TV, baby. That's what we do, man. Sound Squad TV right quick, baby.
Look out, man. Big up to the peace, man. Big up to everybody that came out tonight. Big up to BRANDEESH. Happy birthday, my nigga. We up to this.
Sound Squad TV.
All right, Sound Squad TV. So there is entertainment. Y'all party.
Sound Squad, bitch.
This young killer, one half contamination.
This was the sensei, the other half contamination. What's going on?
You're now tuned in to Sound Squad TV. Shout out to Sound Squad.
Shout out to my man BRANDEESH for the big, you know what I'm saying, birthdays on. We came through, show niggas some love and shit like that. So, you know, my man, Big D, Sip, Butter B, it is what it is. Shit, we just hit the whole damn squad, you know what I'm saying? We just repping. Contamination is what it is. Yo, I appreciate it. Deesh, keep doing your thing, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Always got love. My boy, straight up. You know what I'm saying? Contamination is what it is. I appreciate the love.
When he said,
Afterwards, cleaning up. Brandeesh, birthday bash. I don't know who you are, what you do.
I'm Miguel, I'm a bartender from Brooklyn. Happy birthday, Brandeesh.
I seen her spin a great bottle up in the air, lighting on fire. And then she made a vodka cranberry.
Sound Squad Entertainment, nigga.